So we move on to a new unit. That is unit 3. Partial differential equation. Your partial derivatives. We should know how to differentiate partially. We have done this in the engineering as well. So the first thing we will do under partial differential equation is notation. Notation. If z is a function of x, y. If z is a function of x, y. Now, the z over the x, that's I can differentiate z with respect to x. We replace it by a small letter p. The z with respect to y, replace it by the small letter q. The squared z over the x squared, replace it with small letter r. The squared z over the x dy, replace it by the letter s. And the square z over dy squared, replace it by the small letter t. Yes, since we're talking about second order, the highest is the second order. That is why, and they are the second order ends here. Look at this carefully. The z dx, it follows the letters of the English alphabet, p, q, r, s, t. The z dx is p, the z dy is q. Then you come back to the x again. The z dx squared is r. Then the z dxy is s. Then the z dy squared is t. So x, y, s squared, x, y squared, in that order. So these are the notations that we need to know. Now, let's move on to the formation of partial differential equation. Formation of partial differential equation. We did a similar one on formation of ordinary differential equation. And we said it is by the elimination of arbitrary constants. We have the same here. Elimination of arbitrary constants and elimination of arbitrary functions. So we'll go on to type 1. Elimination of arbitrary constants. But before we do elimination of arbitrary constants, let us know the types of constants we have. There are two types of constants. We have fixed constants and we have variable constants. Fixed constants and variable constants. Fixed constants is like 2. E to the power minus 1, minus 5, 3. These are fixed constants. Root 7. These are fixed constants. Variable constant is something like we have A, B, K, C. You know the C in integration. Anytime we integrate and we put a constant C, it's a variable constant. Okay. Then we have pure variables. You know, we have pure variables. In our case, it is X, Y, Z. Okay. Apart from X, Y, Z, any other letter represents variable constant. Apart from X, Y, Z representing pure variables, any English letter alphabet is a variable constant. Okay. So now, let's go on to, oh, I shouldn't have called this should have been I, not type 1. We call this I, elimination of arbitrary constant. Then we have type 1, solving questions on type 1. The type 1 is number of constants, the heading. Number of constants is greater than, sorry, it's less than number of variables. Less than number of variables. Number of constants is less than number of variables. What is the rule? What is the rule? The rule is that we are going to have more than one partial differential equation as your answer. You're also going to have the partial differential equation of order 1. Let us pick questions from